Alright, next example. So x is greater than or equal to 3. Again, it's got the line, so I'm going to put a bracket there. I could also put a filled in circle. Again, this arrow is matching with that arrow. X is greater than 5. So here's 4, 5, no line. So that one's just going to be a parenthesis. And then what we got to do again is we got to remember what this means. This means what they have in common. So we can just look at where the colors overlap. That'll tell us what these have in common. So this would be your graph. This would mean x is greater than 5. And if they ever ask you to put this in interval notation, you drop your parenthesis down, you drop your 5 down. Because this is going on for infinity, we're going to put an infinity sign there. Parenthesis, comma. So that's interval notation. Okay, and then there's one last example that will happen sometimes. So again, there's no line, so we're going to use a parenthesis. At the 5, the arrow is going to the left, so I'm going to make my arrow go to the left. And then at 3, so here's 4, there's 3, arrow to the left. It's going to be a bracket because there's a line. Again, we're only looking for what they have in common, so we're looking where the two colors overlap. And the way you would write this answer down would be x is less than or equal to 3. If you're asked to put that in interval notation, bracket, drop your 3 down. It's going on forever in the negative direction, so this time we're going to put negative infinity. Infinity and negative infinity always have a parenthesis with those. Put a comma in, you're done.